guys, welcome to another video this week, and today we will talk about factors and greatest common factors. Okay, so let's go ahead. Alright, so when you say factors, these are the numbers that compose of a bigger number. Alright, so factors are actually parts of a number. Okay, and if you multiply them, this number would be the result. So that would be 10. So we will just need to get the numbers that are needed to be multiplied in order to get 10. So what are the factors of 10? Alright, so first, we will think. If we will multiply 10 by 1, 10 times 1, the answer is 10. So 10 and 1 are factors of 10. How about 2 times 5? The answer is also 10, right? 4, 5. Okay, so therefore, can you give me another factors of 10? I think there's none, right? So we can say here that the factors of 10 are the following: 1, 2, 5, and 10. So these are the factors of 10. Alright? Okay, let's have 20. So let's start with 20 times 1 is equal to 20. How about, let's say, 20 divided by 2? So that would be 10. So we'll say 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Alright? How about 3? We cannot divide 20 by 3. How about 4? Yes, we can. So that would be 4 times 3, right? Is equal to 20. Oh, no. 4 times 5. I'm sorry. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Another number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's none. So, all of these numbers here are factors of 20. So, factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 4 and 5, 10, and 20. So these are the factors of 20. How about 60? Let's say 60 times 1, that is equal to 60. We'll say 30 times 2, that is equal to 60. We will say this is divided by 3. We say 20 times 3, that is also 60. And then we'll say 15 times 4, that is equal to 60. And we'll say times 5. Yes, we can do 5. So we'll say 5 times 12. 12 times 5 is equal to 60. How about 6? Yes. So 10 times 6 is equal to 60. 7, 8. Okay. 8 cannot be 9, 10. So there's none. So all of these are factors of 60. So these are the factors of 60. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, and we have 10, we have 12, we have 15, we have 20, 30, and 60. So all of these numbers are factors of 60. How about 80? Let's try 80. So, or let's just put it this way. You try to solve for 80 and 100. I will include that in your test or activity, but the main concept is if you are doing factoring, you just need to gather all the factors of that particular number, and then you will just need to write them down. Okay? So these are the factors of these numbers, respectively. Now let's go to greatest common factors. So greatest common factors is you will just list down all the factors of the number, and then you will need to find the greatest number or the biggest number. So shall we say, what is the greatest common factor of 6? 6 and Let's just try this. 6. Sorry about this. Let's try 6 and should I say 9. So what is the greatest common factor of 6 and 9? So let's try to solve. So let's just write down the factors of 6. 6 can be 6 times 1. So we have 1 and then 6. 6 can also be 2 times 3. So we have 2 and we have 3. Next, 9. 9 is 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So what is the biggest number if we compare them? The biggest common number, the greatest common factor. So the answer is 3. So the greatest common factor of 6 and 9 is 3. Let's have another example. Let's try 12 and 20. So 20 can be the factors of 12 is 1 and 12. And then 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So these are the factors of 12. How about 20? We have 1 and itself, 1 and 20. And then we have 2 times 2 and 10, 2 times 10. And then we also have 4 times 5. If you notice, we have the same numbers, right? We have same number 2. We have also same number here, that is 4. And let's check, 6, 3, 1. We also have the same number 1, 12, 2, 6, 10, 5, 6, okay. So we will just need to find the greatest common factor. So the greatest here is 4. So the answer here is 4. Okay? How about number 3? Let's have 20 and 40. So what is the greatest common factor of 20 and 40? So let's have 20. So we have the factors here, 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, and 5. How about 40? We'll say 1 times 40, 2 times 20, right? 3, 4 times 10. We have 5 times 8, right? 6, 7, 8, okay? So these are the factors of 40. Alright, so the next thing is you will just need to check the common factors. So we have the same 1, we have the same 20, we have the same 10, same 5, same 2, and we have the same 4. And then, if you look at it, what is the biggest number? The biggest number is this one, 20. So the greatest common factor of 20 and 40 is 20. So that's it for our video today. See you guys in our next video. Always be awesome. Be a math hero. Goodbye.